Hey everybody, Scott Kelby here, and I wanted to take you behind the scenes on a fashion shoot I did at the beautiful Rialto Theater in Tampa, Florida. So this was my first shoot with the Profoto B1x's, and I wanted to do something kind of fun. My wife, Kelby, was creative director on the shoot, and she was inspired by a beautiful dress created by an amazing designer, Julia Chu, and it was this dress that kind of launched the whole shoot into motion. Our model is going to wear a red dress made of feathers that was designed by Julia, and the story is that this bird has been living inside this cage, watching all these beautiful things in a beautiful home happen, and she finally gets her wish. She becomes human, breaks out of the cage, and that's why there's kind of messy things all over the set. And so that was the original idea. So first I did the standard framing. Then I did a pullback shot where you can see more of the actual set, the light stands and stuff like that. Well, when we were wrapping things up, I wanted to just shoot a headshot of the model. So we grabbed the reflector, we went in and did a headshot, and I'm like, oh my gosh, her beauty headshot stuff was amazing. So I asked MJ if we could just go ahead and do a beauty shoot. In 2 minutes, we flipped the lighting. I took the 5-foot octa, put it behind her. We were able to move the big parabolic in front and have that solid white background, and boom, we got the shot. Such an awesome model. Make sure you follow her on Instagram, MJ Butterly. Anyway, we tried a couple of other things, of course, and I got to move the backgrounds around. Oh, the backgrounds are from Gravity Backdrops. They are so great. First time using them as well. I've been saving them for something special. GravityBackdrops.com. Their stuff is off the chain. And of course, we had to do a giant flowing dress, and which looks better, by the way, in slow motion. But what we found about this was it's more art than science. And we had a couple of funny things that happened when you do have 3 people throwing a dress into the air. But we did get the shoot done. We just had a blast. I really now totally get why everybody's so crazy about the B1x's. They are amazing lights, and they gave us tremendous flexibility on the set. We were able to change lights and move things, and this is me being very professional at the end. That was a great shoot. Thank you, MJ. Let's do this again. It takes an entire team to do a shoot like this, and I was very, very fortunate to have an awesome one on this shoot. Make sure you follow them on Instagram. Here's where you'll find them. Well, thanks, everybody. Thanks for letting me show you a little behind the scenes from my shoot.